Philly Auto Show 2020. Dub Magazine puts on an event at this show, which draws a lot of exhibitors. I'm here with one that I know for a long time. It's Daren from Machines of Mayham. Daren used to be in the motorcycle scene years ago. He's switched his whole game up, and he's got some really crazy supercars here today. Daren, why don't you tell a little bit about what you're into now?
Well, I mean, I still love bikes, still do bikes if the opportunity comes, but I've always been very passionate about supercars.
I see
mostly
that.
Because it's like an envious thing. I can't really fit in them, so I try to. Yeah, so. But it's always been something I loved, and you know, we kind of, to be honest with you, it's the only thing that excites me as much as a motorcycle.
Okay.
So when it comes down to, you know, what I'm doing now, you know, I'm trying to focus on a little bit of a captivating, innovative scene. You know, you see how it's more trucks and supercars now than it is really the old school ways of doing things, and even the manufacturers are changing it up and pushing towards the, you know, more trucks and just exotics. I mean, look at Corvette with the C8 and Lincoln trying to turn away from completely making sedans. I mean, that's how the future's going. So if it's not an electric vehicle, it's going to be a supercar, or it's going to be a truck, an SUV. So anyway, so getting into this, I just we have a dealership, we offer awesome stuff to people. It's concierge service. It doesn't have to be just these cars, it could be any car. We just make sure that always it's just quality. I just don't sell junk. I don't want my name out there on anything garbage.
We sure have a hell of a high-end exotic display here. So I'm sure whatever you're doing, if you're at touching this type of quality, I'm sure somebody can trust you on any type of deal, because you're really focusing on attention and details of these bikes.
Yeah.
So used to these supercars are just incredible, man. So
thank you, brother.
I think you're doing a hell of a job here. You have a beautiful display here, one of the best displays I've seen of supercars at the event. I've been doing the event with Dub Magazine for over 15 years, so from seeing you where you've been to really what you expanded to, like I say, man, hell of a job, man.
Appreciate you, bro.
Keep up the good work, man.
You too, man.
We're gonna collab on something, man. Know each other for a while, so yeah, maybe decide to do a bike again. You know, we'll put something together.
You're right there in the whole group of people. If we got somebody that's going to bikes that wants to do something in collaboration, you're the first guy to call.
That's what I thought.
All right, tricked out, guys.
All right, here at Machines of Mayhem 2020. We're gonna make some rounds, check out some of the other exhibitors. We're right back with you.